take over.
We
Yeah.
now have Team Bajpur with us. Please present your work.
Even though this generation still believes in the miracle working power of God, they must no longer wait for God to bring water from the rocks, but rather construct dams, water system, subdue the power of the ocean, thereby give glory to God Almighty. Good, a very warm good evening to all teachers who are presenting here. Myself, Pratiksha, and here are two of my teammates, Prashant Vinayak and Amanpreet Kaur. We are from Shri Dasme School team, Bajpur, team A. So now I would like to present my presentation, introducing about the Gulaboj Dam, Haripura Jalashaya. Gulaboj is a small village in the Gadarpur block in Udham Singh Nagar, named after the revolutionary Indian freedom fighter Udham Singh, district in Kumaon division of Uttarakhand. The village consists the famous Gulaboj Dam or Haripura Dam, which is used for irrigation purposes. The dam has been constructed beautifully and is a renowned tourist spot in this area. Here is the list. Here are the some silent features of Haripura Dam. The dam is surrounded by dense forest and there is a wide variety of animals that can that can be seen here. Gulabos Dam consists of three Jalashayas, reservoirs, namely Bor Jalashay, Haripura Jalashay, and Nanak Mata Jalashay. So here is the picture I'm presenting here is the time of the time of my grandfathers. The Haripura Dam, was looked like this in the time of my grandfather. Now this is the scene when the Haripura Dam got dried in 2017. Sorry, 2007. It got dried uh, due to some natural disasters, because there was not due to a very hot there is a so that's why it got dried. And uh, uh, and one of the uh, Abhyanta Prem Singh Gangola said that the dam get dried, so we are unable to irrigate our fields. Or this was the circumstances have to face when it now there is a lot of there is a lot of difference the way path when we used to go to dam in 1970, the area, the path looked like this. I had shown in the first picture 1970, the path looked like this, but now it had renovated very well. That now in 2019 it has renovated very well. It looks like a beautiful path which attracts pupils toward it. Here is the collage. Some of our pictures I had put it in collage to show that how it looked in past and how it looked in present. In 1970, the Haripura Jalashay looked very simple, but now it is very colorful and attractive, which attracts tourists a lot towards itself. Here is the boating area. In 1970, the boating area was very dull, but in 2019, it was constructed very colorful, very beautifully. And there was wooden water boats in 1970, but in now it has constructed very well. Now it has water boats. No no escape between. uh, here is the facilities of tourist to stay. The tourist who came from a long distance, they can now stay here. But at the time of 1970, tour, there was no facility for tourists to stay here. But now there are rent houses. There are rent houses which on plain ground, which consist of beds and a proper food arrangement. Here are the some sports activities, water sport activities for the tourists. Uh, the uh, he- he- the activities are listed below. First is the speedboat, which whose timing is 10 minutes and rate is 250 per person. Second, jet ski. Third, jet attack. Fourth, banana ride. Fifth, bumper ride. Sixth, water surfing. Seventh, pontoon boat. Eighth, motor boat. And ninth, donate boat. And here are the timing listed here and the rate also. And one of the there is also a
Thank you,
lot of
baby. You had?
stalls
Thank you, baby.
for the tourist to
Sorely
eat
needed.
and enjoy their
Sorely needed.
picnic. That's all.
You had, no?
Thank you.